Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the issue. The TV screen is off but audio is playing. If you are facing such issue, just press any key on your remote except the volume buttons and the power button, because maybe the picture off option will be enabled on the TV. So let me show you. For this, go to settings, tap on all settings, then select general and privacy. Select accessibility. Then here you can see the option picture off. If this function is enabled, to exit from the facility, you need to press on any button on your remote except the power and the volume buttons. Okay, if this feature is enabled, then the TV screen is turned off but audio is still playing. So simply in this way we can fix the issue. TV screen is off but audio is playing. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.